In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canned Responses Gmail. Canned Responses, now called templates in Gmail, are pre-written messages you can save and reuse so you don't have to type the same email over and over. They're perfect for repetitive replies like acknowledgements, scheduling notes, or follow-ups. The feature works the same way it used to under the old Canned Responses name, so if you've heard that term before, you're in the right place. Let's start by creating your first canned response. Open Gmail in a web browser on your computer. The desktop interface is where this feature lives. Click Compose to open a new message, then type the text you want to reuse. You can include formatting, links, and placeholders you'll personalize later. When the message looks the way you want, click the three dots in the bottom right corner of the Compose window to open More Options. Hover over Templates, and under Save Draft as Template, choose Save as New Template. Give your template a clear, memorable name so you can find it quickly next time, then save it. Think of the name as a label you'll scan for under pressure, so make it specific. Using a canned response is just as quick. Start a new email or open a reply. Click the three dots again, go to Templates, and under Insert, select the template you saved. The text drops right into your draft exactly where your cursor is. From there, personalize anything that needs a touch of context, check names and details, and send. If your Gmail automatically adds a signature, avoid saving another signature in your template to prevent duplicates. If you need to update a template, insert it into a draft, make your edits, then save it again under the same name to overwrite the old version. To remove one you no longer need, open the Templates menu, choose Delete Template, and select the item you want to delete. This keeps your list clean and fast to scan. A few helpful notes. Templates are stored with your drafts and can be reused anytime on the desktop. You can even pair templates with filters to auto-respond to certain messages based on sender, subject, or keywords. Just test carefully to make sure the right emails get the right reply. And if you don't see templates in the menu, open Settings. Go to the Advanced tab, enable templates, and save your changes. That's all you need to streamline your Gmail replies and save serious time while staying consistent and professional.